Hi friends, what's this Tkinter window? It's a hyperlink, a address is provided and the text is also provided. Once I am clicking this, it's open up the address whatever is provided in a web browser. We'll learn all about this. This is our standard template. Was that line number 1 we have imported web browser. This is the library what we will be using. Now we have declared it our window, blank window as my underscore w. So this is the window we'll be using. Let's add just geometry or the size of it. So geometry, now what it is, you can give any dimension. I am just giving 500 and 400. So let me just put a quotes here. Okay, this is the height and width. Okay, whatever you can write it here. Now first let me create the link or a label I will create. There I will write a text. It has nothing to do with the link. So I am just giving the name as my link. This is my variable only. What I am using, a label. It's a label and my underscore w is the parent window at line number 3. Usually we declare it as root, but we write it as my underscore w. Now what text should go under the hyperlink? Because you know hyperlink had two parts. One is the URL or the address. Another one is the text part which will be linked. So over the text, when the user clicks, it goes to the URL. So now I am writing what I should write it. I am mentioning +2net hyperlink. You want to write anything, you can write it. What should be my foreground or the font color? FG. Usually hyperlinks are given blue, but that doesn't mean that you cannot give anything else. You can give whatever you want. So let me just come to next line. Cursor. When the mouse is over that, what the cursor shape should be. Usually it's a hand usually we give, and there is a big list of cursor shapes are there. Out of that we are using hand too. If you want to use a arrow or a crosshair, anything you can select from this list. So this is where the hand. Now let me just give slightly a bigger font. So font equal to, now we know how we'll write it, this style of it times, now let me give 20 as size, and what should be the style? It should be bold, italic or underline. Usually a hyperlink should have the underline. So I am writing underline here. So my it's a label. So far we have not done anything about the URL or linking anything. It's a label, that's all. So now let me just place it over a grid. My link dot grid. Where I will place it, because it's only one component, so I am giving row 0, then column equal to 0 also. I am not flushing with the left edge, so I am giving pad x equal to 20 and pad y equal to 20. So I am not flushing with the top edge also. So I am maintaining a gap here. That's why pad x, pad y. Now comes the triggering the link. I will say my link dot bind. Bind means it is bind the event binding I am doing. Which event I will bind it? Now I will the mouse left button click. So sorry for that, I will write button left button. This is when the left button is pressed. I have mentioned that the button -1 means that one. So when it is clicked, what should happen? The event is lambda now x. Let me just go to the next lines because I have to write a little more text here. Lambda x. Now here I will use the library web browser. This is what I have imported at the top, first line, line number 1. Now the method is open new. This I am using. Open tab is also there. Let's see open new. Now then I am giving the address. This is the URL or the address of the website where it will open. w.plus2net.com. Fine, that's all. Now okay, let me just save it, running it once. Let's see if anything. Yeah, it has come up. Now let me click this. Here it is, the home page has opened up. Now let me just go back, close this window, go back to here. I will say now / let me open the Tkinter home page. Python, then I will say that's all. So Tkinter PHP, let me just move little back so you can see this. Okay, so the URL I have changed, saved it, Now running it again the window has opened, but this time it should take me to the Tkinter home page. Yeah, here it is. It is the Tkinter home page. So let me just come back here, close the window. That's all, friends. Just request you, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so whenever we post new tutorials you will be notified, and we frequently do that. And I will request you, please share it with your friends also, and if you have any doubt, suggestion, question and any idea you have, use the comment section below to post it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.